Kani kadai kadu darshan Meghalaya bat ngip tiang sengopai pi baro syakatuk kubor menta ka janmit. Shua ban pai syaki kubor ki babnya ngepet shua yakimat bukongsan. Kumbalai hajar ngut kilayo ya kashiti tungkam ha ka jing penrungkam pulit ha 2nd MLP Battalion Goi Ragre. On play ka Village Defence Party batmai ha Shillong halor ka jingjilai udrok ong unong ay buit ka tanat social welfare uba polling do. Pinpa uba hek baya ka kam sarkar hapok ka reservation policy leiban bu hakmat nakabenta ki longying ki baduna kayo akot. Wanyashim benta Menteri Ketenat Yadari Rajnath Singh hakasagar sangkalp Maritime conclave ha Kolkata. Bat nang penjur ke Israel ya ka jing hertma ha Beirut bat Tehran hadin baka jingkan at kala nangjur ha Middle East. Menta nginya paishwa shaki kubor nakaleng ka jila. Ya ka jingalang penkop buram la penlong ha 2nd MLP Battalion ha Goi Ragre hinin gasngi ha kaba ha 8,000 khandai span ripu prangot ki pulit badang shutungkam thamai jong ki Meghalaya Police ki layo pediang ya ki shithi tungkam jong ki ha kani gasngi la sakhilang do menteri rangba ka jilla ukonrat ki sangma badu sembut menteri rangba uba prestun tinsong ha ringkat ki weipat ki riu paukmat nakine 6,000 saus pak na sautli ki kam ki deina ki benta ki amp branch constable kat bah news pa arpotli ki deina ka benta ki anam branch constable nalor ki we ki kam baya dei bat tanat trekam bat ki jing shakri haba ai jing kran hakani ki jingalang u konrat ki sangma ula penpau bakani ka dei ka jing sa kenmau nakabakado ba hakani ka jing penrungkam kala yo palat I way point nyolak teli ki application.
At this point in time, I would like to congratulate the CRB, all its members, the DGP, and the entire team, not just for this recruitment process, but because of what they are doing day and night to ensure that the people of the state can live in peace, can live in discipline, can live with law and order being in place. And therefore, it's a very huge responsibility, but the Home Police Department has been doing exceptionally well under the leadership of our DGP and in the government under the leadership of our Deputy Chief Minister heading the Home Police Department.
Unong yalam ka United Democratic Party UDP bat ubadeiru MLA uba polling do hinin gasngi ulaong ba umdon jingtmu banyakun yak election steng samoy syaka yeng dorbar Lok Sabha na Shillong constituency nakaba penpau ba ukwa ban penlejing mut hakasan perthai jong kajilla bat ban pendep yaka samoy trekam jo komu MLA bamenta uba lingdo ula banjuru yaka jingdon kam ban penklan yaka jinglong nong yalam hapok kajilla bat ula ban yaka jingdon kam ban penlong yaka seng kum ka seng jong kipajba ula benrabru bawat lada kinong yalam ka seng kila kentu ya banyakun Henry ula kentai yaka ni gajingkerpat.
But because there is so much to be done in the state and there is a clear gap of capable leaders within the state. Therefore, my entire focus as of this moment is within the jurisdiction of the state of Maryland.
But don't you feel you'll be able to contribute more?
No, we have capable leaders, but you will also realize that we have just crossed the 2.5-year mark of the current house. I would like to ensure that I complete this term to the satisfaction of not just the electorate of 18 West Shillong constituency, but also the state of Meghalaya.
Ba pualing do ubalong unong ay jingmut jong katanat social welfare hinin kasngi uloong baka sorkar kan plate thamay ka village defense party VDP hanong sopo ha ka khatlai tarik menta ubanay ban pen klan ya ki jing persya ya ka jing ma jong udrong ubaling do uloong baka tay karay ka long hadin ka jing akran bat USP ka anti narcotics task force ANTF dak bakdo baka nong ba Shillong menta ka don tang khat artili ki VDP ya ka ba uloong bakim patbiang Ula benrap ru ba katnat kadang penslur syusyu ya ki dor barsnong bakin ye trailang bat ki bor bahalor bat banyarap ya ki pulit banyak hun ya ki jing ki be adai baru drop.
I had an interaction with the SP ANTF and we have already gone ahead and decided with the dor barsnong of a major hotspot in the city, which is the Dalbashnong of Nong Sopho Upper Mauprem, that we will formally launch the village defense party of that area on the 13th of this month, meaning next Friday. The city itself has just 12 VTPs, which is very inadequate considering the multiple challenges we face from couple of groups. So the status as of now is that we're trying to encourage more and more Dalbashnongs to come forward, partner with the department so that we are able to have foot soldiers against the menace who will be also working in tandem with the state police department.
Uba Alexander lalu hek ubalong Menteri Barim ka jilla bat MLA na pintor umkra Assembly constituency uloong ba ki kam sorkar ki bahap hapo ka reservation policy ki dayban bo hakmat ya ki longyeng ki baduk khamtam mi ki longyeng ki bomdon dekot ki batrei ha ka kam sorkar uba hek uloong ba umpat puli benya ya ki kaipot jong ka expert committee halor ka policy na mar ka jing bom koj bom khya ha ka por ka jing penlong ya ka dor bar mang tengka Henry usngoto baka ai jingmut ban beteng ya ka policy ha ka dur ka pakalong benta Ula benrap ru bawatla ukirshan ya ki jingkala ha ka reservation policy Henry ka sarkar ka dayban pentikna shwa ba ki longyeng ki buduna ha ka liang ka yo ka kot kinyo ya ki lat kilinti
Ka jong ganong rim ka bangala kren ha last assembly election ha last assembly po how ngala kren wala dag di ban ai ki reservation reservation Eri ka polisi di ban ai be ya ki BPL family bagi yang ibaduk khamtam le gitu ki weiru na khamtam le ban ai ki yang bau ki weiru pajudan bayo kam sarkar aju ki reservation polisi dagi layo maki layo ki BPL da pio kwa ban kren ni ka bajulong ko bagalong benda ka 40 20 bektar amdon jing pere Tawala pikli nga hi kabang lakan dari urusan akan mentar akan kemjuhi ada reservation policy IBET ya kitoki BPL family bagi yang beduk berkamdam nilai berpadu dan weiru nagi yang belatri sarkar reservation policy yaki ada ke special reservation policy yaki
Ya kata masa strawberry la play pajba nin kasngi ha dari chegre hakabakani ka jingpli kalalong ka ba ipo ipeng bala penlong dak sarkar Meghalaya Ya kani ka jingalang la play da Deputy Commissioner ka West Garo Hills Wibhor Agarwal haringkat ka jingadon lang Assistant Commissioner Webhov Anand Sharma Hakani ka tamasa ka basaw sngi ka banne hadu ka nyaw tarik ulber ki don ki jingya ko baper ki bakantop ya ka sweetest strawberry jam strawberry dessert bat ka jingdro dur bat ka jingya kop shondur kani ka tamasa ka thumu ban kintiu ya ka jingrap strawberry jong ka than ban kintiu ya ka kam jingo kai perthei ha ka than bat ban ailat in slam manchna ya ka surok nong stoin wa ka ji na mar la ya thu ba ka jingtre ya ka te ka project kala sakut la ka tu ka ni banai ya ka te project surok la pentre da ka company Vozora Zenia ka ban na Russia Henry kitilong kubor kia thu baka kibabon kinong tre kilami no nakatiga jaka but omshim na don kanu ga jingshna kaban ya chaprang kintup ya ki jing tre ban siang rong hajan ka tu ka ni ki jingking hakaju ka por dangshen ka Federation of KHASI Jaintia and Garo People FKJGP West KHASI Hills hapo ka jingalam jong Assistant Secretary uba Jistarlan Lingkoi, kilalet banyak kendu yo Deputy Commissioner ka West KHASI Hills ban pan jing shai halor kani ka jing penslem bat ban kenturu yaki bor badai kemi ban penti kena baki kam ken zang biang kam kloi.
Tena kalian cumi kasang mi sa haga jing ngo bagi pajba ti wan od banam si kasang babalai kene kesurok ka sateng tena kalian cumi kum ka FHP West Hill antagas ni lawan ban pan jing percaya na kadisi ong ban sasimkia ban khot yak to ki company ki badai ban pentrei kate ke bentan ong ta mano badai ki monitor ban pailang hang tul se kum ka peludi nang ba pinyo ban pinyak cepat namar yu ban dalawan ka ayom slap ki nonglek nongwan kan satut biang kum bahagi por ki ba mensyua namar ba yu ba menta kamlong syuk ke jingking kham tam hang ne ha jan district jail yu tu jingking kelak kerak ke ab jingma la daya trok kan sakut kalek kawan.
Usubir marak ubadai UMLA ka rang sakuna Assembly Constituency bat ubalong chairman Jong ka Khadi and Village Industries Board ula play ya ka ying school LP badang shna thamai bat ya ka digital library hada malgre LP school ha ka jingalang kabalalong ha Pelau Jong ka ni school. Lazang ya ka ni ka jingalang da ka jingkran pedang burom na Arman CH Mumin Block Development Officer Jong ka Rira Para CNRD Block kat baki kena pule kila ai ya ka jingrai pedang ngobha ya ki nong shakot ngobha haka jingkran jong usubir marak ula banjur ya ka jing ang nuod jong ka sarkar ban penklan ya ka puli puthi hanong kendong bat ban pin bhai ki la jing hikai lingba ki jingtei ki ba khambha bat ki la jingarap jong ki core digital.
Kalau si apal dong pas Shillong ni janti hensuni sarang ya university ni lebai mana komi parti sedang cedalo higher education na ko pisong skill na tamat niya masters yang dalam tak nakta postgraduate nya kana postgraduate degree ko na tamat niya kaya so education higher education ko thangduat nakta dalam sini pura Christian academic but bukan bro college ko ba government zakora so
ka office jong ka district immunization officer ribhoy henin kasngi kala pelat pajba ya ka jing IT ka HPV persha e ka jing pang cervical cancer ha ka program ka balalong ha office DMHO hanong po habay kren bat ki lat pathai khobor u Dr Benjamin Lightplang u badeyu district immunization officer jong ka ribhoy district ulaya thu bakani ka jing IT ka kala zang nadu ka santarik ulber bat kan kut hadu kalai weterik u jimbang arjar apunriu kabatmu yaki kena kan thei ki badan hakarta ka bakhat saus nem hadu hapo khatsan snem ula pentep badangshan kani ka jing IT ka HPV la pentrei kam ha India nakabenta banyada halor ka jing pang cervical cancer badla banyoi ya ka jing IT ka na jaka sumar ki badan hagi district ki primary health centers community health centers bat ki state dispensary
kani ka HPV campaign kadi ka campaign kumba ki khot English human papilloma virus campaign kadi ka vaccination drive yaki khon kin thai ba ki beneficiaries bangi mud ban ai vaccination nikini ki khon kin thai ba dap khat saus nam bat bampat cross ya khat sans nam ka HPV vaccine kadi ka way ka vaccine ka baning kong hakari jongi badang sustang ba prevent ya ka ni ka cervical cancer kadi ka ningkong ka vaccine ba dangshu introduce ka ri jongi ban prevent ya ka jing pang bampong nakabenta jong ka plakhon
ka subdivisional employment exchange mairang kala penlong ya ka job fair ka bashisngi hatirot sing memorial hall ban ailat ya ki samla wat kam ban ya kendo markmat bat kinong aikam ki bala banyo kam ya ka ni ka program la play pajba da ka kong VA nyota additional deputy commissioner ka Eastern West KHASI Hills district ha ka jinga don lang ki he ki han ki bakentop ya EL Mirthong GM Lalu SL Nongkai Kibana ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society MSSDS. Haba ai jingkran hakatay ka jingalang ka kongsan kala kentu ya ki samla bakin pendon kam hok ya kakabu nakabaya kendu bat kinong pentray kam bat bantip syapang ki kam beper ki balaple.
Is your career presently very small, but very ability that getting comes from getting a job profile. But what they are doing is vaccine. The vaccine by don't have afford doing the afford about otherwise you can see what your government or account but it's not depend on how government can become
Meghalaya State Skill Development Society MSSDS kala penlong ya ka recruitment drive phase 2 ha sangpung henne kasngi ban ai kam ai jam bat kilat ban penroy ya kisap kipong ya kisamla ha kani ka program ki kertong kila penrung kerteng ila di nakabenta ki kam beper katba ki he sarkar kila ai jingbut halor ki program ai jing hikai ki badon bat ki jingkermen ha kakam katkum ka jingnang jing start bat ki jing sngotenat jongki ha kani ka program lakin thop ru ya ka jing ekran nakabenta ki kertong ki bala penrung kerteng kum shibenta jong ka jingjit bon ki nong wat kam ki lawan bani shimenta ha ka jing penrung kerteng ka jing ai jingmut bat ki jing ekran ka office jong ka district handloom officer Ribhoy district kala penlong ya ka program bakirpang ka bala ai kerteng looms and links ban kintiu ya ka kam than jan bat ki jan rindia haga juga por la penlong ka yo ka baar singi bandi ya ki jan bala than hari bhoy ya kani ka program la play the principal secretary jong ka tnat textile uba FR Kharkongor katba u deputy commissioner u Abhilash Baranwal ulalong kumukongsan ki weipat ki balaya don lang ki kinthop ya i director ka tnat handloom EMR Luwaj ka kong Monica Lingdo ka zonal head jong ka department u fashion designer bapawnam uba Daniels Aim bat u district handloom officer IDP Taryang haringkat kinong Tanjan bat ki self help group na Kelenga district habakran hakani kasngi uba Kharkongor ulaong bakani ka program ka longkum ka rinsan ka ba ailat ya kinong Tanjan man penya yo bat de ya ki mar ki jongki ka balong kalat kamay ka bane Kajinga lang kabashisngi halor ka Himalayan Agroecology Initiative kabala penlong ha State Convention Center banyakren halor ka rep karyang mat kabam kadi ka bane Islam ha kathan Himalaya yakani kajinga lang la penlong haringkat kajinga trailang jong ka World Future Council IFOM Organics International Alliance of Biodiversity International but CIAT but ka United Nations Development Program habakran hagani jingalang ka kong Isawanda Lalu ka secretary ka tnat agriculture jong ka sarkar Meghalaya kala banjur ya ka jingdan kam ban kintiu ya ki rukom brem ki bala banne bat bala ban yale persya ya ka jinglong ka sun beneng bat ban penklan ya ka jing ai jingkershan ya ki nong rep hagani ka than
and to think about ways in which we as people who have a stake can contribute and can work towards mitigating the challenges, especially of our most marginalized and especially of the people who form the backbone of our society, the people who produce our food, the people who bring sustenance to our tables, our farmers. So while from as Ms. Nenamlai said, I have also skimmed through the recommendations. Professor Nachan gave me a very thick booklet. I was unable to go through all of it, but based on the presentation made by Dr. Rana, we were able to glean, we were able to get a sense of what are the founding principles, what are the pillars which we have to work towards, and what are the actionable points which need to be made in order to arrive at sustainable solutions.
Mintang niya pai sa kikubor na Kelenga than stela mingi Kaling sunya pom Sukhoi Laipo MKI jong ka Indian Air Force kalahap haulom inglong ikopi kabadon habukajon subdivision jong ka Karbi Anglong district hakapor bakidang pinlong ya ka jingyat kilan kabakumbasan 10 kilometer na Jorhat Airbase Katekaling sun jong ka saupenyo squadron kala jarngai na ka radar hakapor komba nyo saupo baje janmin. Bad hadin kinong snong ka snong choki hola kilalap ya ka jaka bakatekaling sun kalahap balasay ya ka met jong kitay ki arngot ki pilot. Menteri Ketenat Yadari Rajnath Singh ula penpau ya ka jing sosi halor ka jing klat no jong unong yalam ka squadron anuj bad flight lieutenant Purvesh Durakar. Nakaba penpau bakari kanum kelet ya ka jing slur bad ka jing shakri jongki. Mentang inya pai shaki kubor na kalengkari. Menteri Ketenat Yadari ke Sarkar Pedeng Rajnath Singh ulaya Shimbenta haka Maritime conclave Sagar Sankalp ha Kolkata haka ba ula penpau ya ka jing penkre jong ki shipai duriau jong kari India. Haba ai jing kran haka ni ka jing alang Menteri Yadari ula ong ba ka jing penkre jong ki shipai duriau mentrekam ka jing job jong ka operation sindur bat ka jing ya chaprang sha ka atma nirbhar Bharat ka penpau ba ka Ketenat Yadari jong ka India ka yat haka linti ka badai.
चैलेंज भी यदि हम कोऑर्डिनेटेड प्लानिंग टेक्नोलॉजी एडॉप्शन और इंस्टीट्यूशनल सिनर्जी के साथ आगे बढ़ें तो भारत एक मैरीटाइम डोमेन सेफ प्रॉस्परस और स्ट्रांग होगा और यह समय है जब हमें अपने मैरीटाइम विजन को क्लियर कॉन्फिडेंट और कलेक्टिव रूप में आगे बढ़ाना है.
Mentang inya pai shaki kubor na kaleng ka pertay. Ka Israel kala nang penjur shushu ya ka jingher thma na sun ha Beirut, Lebanon, bad ya ka Tehran, Iran, hadin baka jingya ken at kala nang jur ha Middle East. Ki jingher thma ka thmu ya ki jaka ki badon jingya day bad ka ken hun le no jongka Hezbollah, bala Krishan da ka Iran, bad yaki jaka jong ki shipai ka Iran. Kani kalawan ra yaka jing shongs air bad ka jing kenria jaka haki benta jong ka Beirut hadin bala penmi yaki jing maham yaki nong shong shnong ban mi no na kini ki jaka. Mentang inya pai shaki kubor ya lekai. Ketenat Social Welfare jong ka Sarkar Jilla kalarakhe ka International Women's Day daka jingelekai sports baper bala penlong daka state Sankalp harengkat ka jinget trailang bad ka Shillong Sports Association hapo ka pang gift to gain. Ka chairperson jong ka Meghalaya Handloom and Handicrafts Development Corporation ka Kong Santa Mary Shilla kala longkum ka kongsan bad kala kentu yaki kintay bakinyi shimbenta shidrem haga jingelekai sport bad kiwe ki benta. Haka juk kapor pratili kikin hun kilai shimbenta haba haka jingya ko penalty shootout bad la penlong ya ka jingya kai football paralok hapden ka lajkor football club mat ka lumpering football club manya ban pen kubor ya kikin thai haka jingya kai sports.
Asyokman ba hak kano ko jaka especially ni election nong kondong ro kilong kami hak mat do. We are so happy that the government is supporting them very well. Habon haki kam, bon haki liang, because as you see, livelihood is also one thing. Namta ba teng ki chenrang, moang mo isyak telot. They tend to be a little bit lazy, but I'll tell you, ni can pay pat ni hapet ikikun, hapet yaking kasem. We have no other ways, but we have to work harder. Mantresh tuam. Banyale banya kersan gini kun ban kini kun ru kin security mat ban hikai ki da discipline haga nuko kam ka kin salong bru nasai
Timin tapat ginya pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng hakil leng ki benta jong ka jilla. Hatura ka jing kriat kalong kandai degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong life weight degree Celsius jing sngam ka hau komentar ka sengi ka long lai punyo na ka shispa haba pai pat nong ba shlong ka jing kriat ka long khalai degree celsius bat ka jing shet ka long 8% degree celsius ka jing sngam ka hau mentar ka sengi ka long sau pulai na ka shispa kat bah juwai pan ka jing kriat ka long khalai degree celsius bat ka jing shet ka long 800 degree celsius ka jing sngam ka hau mentar ka sengi ka long sau puai na ka shispa kasun bineng kandum lo hatura shilong bajuwai Shuawan poy siya kabakot jong katop kubor ini pet biang sa shisien yakimat bakongsan Kumbalaya jarngut kilayo yaki shiti tungkam haka jing pendungkam pulit ha second MLP battalion Goi Ragre On play ka village defense party batamaya shilong halor ka jingjilay udrop ong unong ay buit ka tanat social welfare uba po lingdo. Pinpa uba ilhek baya ka kam sarkar hapo ka reservation policy day ban bu hakmat nakabenta kilong ging kabaduna kayo pakot. Wanishim benta Menteri Ketenat Yadari Urajnath Singh haka Sagar Sangkalp Maritime Conclave ha Kolkata. Bat nang penjur ka Israel ya ka jingher thma ha Beirut bat Tehran hadin baka jingken at kala nangjur ha Middle East. Tipar lo katu ngila poy sha kabakut jong katop kubar jongi menta ka janmit hadu bagin de syambyang bat pi la shai ka singi kublai pi baro